All right, everybody, the first drill, if you notice on the drill booklet, we have the rules and everything, but we're going to go ahead and skip some of that. You guys can read it. Basically, we're going to be doing 2 of each. That's the setup right there. And the first drill that we have is called the balloon. It's just going to be a wide arcing, nice and easy left-handed U-turn. We're going to do it twice. We do have the timer up, but the main thing here is just to get your head and eye movement, body weight, counter steering, friction zone. And I'm going to show you, if you have never ridden before, we're going to go ahead and do it nice and easy. We're going to go ahead and paddle walk the first one, and then we're going to go through the second run as quick as we can, and then we're just going to keep moving on. So this is a whole video series, so make sure you guys pay attention. So we're going to go ahead and paddle walk if this is your first time. So we're just going to go ahead and do this. And if you really want to practice your braking, you can go ahead and stop at this spot right here, and then you can go to the next one. So friction zone, throttle control. Stop right here. Now what you can do, and this is what I want you to practice, okay, friction zone, throttle control, a little bit of braking if you need to, rear brake. If you don't know how to ride, I have a bunch of videos on that. But I want you to really focus on your head movement all the way to the left, so when you make that turn, your body naturally wants to go that direction. So we're just gonna go ahead and paddle walk. I'm still looking left. Now I'm looking at the exit. Peripheral vision is on this last cone, and then I'm gonna go ahead and exit out. Okay. This is a great exercise to practice. I'm going to go ahead and restart the timer. Timer doesn't count on that first one. So now we're just going to go ahead and do it, and then we're going to move on to the next exercise. Head and eye movement. Looking. Now this is just a U-turn. Very simple. And then right here, go ahead and power through it and exit out. We're gonna do it one more time just so you guys can see it. All the other drills we're just gonna do twice so we can get you some good times. 8 seconds, here we go. Let's see what we can do. This is a beginner exercise, just nice and easy head movement the whole way, friction zone, and exit out. Simple U-turn, get you ready. If you wanna do it on the right side, go ahead and do it on the right side, but we do have the righty-tighty in the easy exercises.